As for invoicing, we can do like this, using F5 twice to search for customer. For example, I F5 twice already. I search for payday, and I found the customer right here. Okay, this is customer I want to use, so I double click the customer. Okay, and then next is I put in the item to sell. Item to sell. For example, this item, one item, two item. Okay, and then I put in another third item. So third item for this invoice for this particular customer. After we have select all the item, next step is to move into this page, payment and invoice page. Left click, and since this is invoicing, doesn't matter what it is, and then we can issue three format for invoicing. First format is short invoice format, and then second one is half page, third one is full page. It looks something like this. If short invoice, it looks like this, using a post printer which contains the customer name, the invoice number, and there are due date for the invoice also. And then for the half page, look like this. Look like this. Information is the same, due date and invoice number. And the full page look like this. Full page invoice look like it's an A4 size paper invoice. Okay. In here, I will issue a short invoice. So left click this button, and next step is we need to set the due date for this invoice. System automatically give us 30 days. We can change this 30 days, or we can change the date directly. Either way is fine. So in here, I just let it be 30 days, and then I continue. Okay, yes, and then system will issue an invoice look like this, this is a customer. This is the invoice number, and then this is the due date for this invoice. Next is to print to the post printer. After we print, we exit. This is the first example of invoice in short invoice format. Okay, in there come back. Okay, the system is ready for the next transaction. Now the second example of invoicing, besides using F5 to search for customer, I can using F7 to search for the customer. So I press F7 now, and system will enter into this module ready for us to search for the customer. You can search by name, by telephone, or by other. Other means is a phrase search. Just key in any phrase, system will start searching. Now in here, I key in my phrase PT. Okay, start search. Okay, and then I found my customer right here. This is my customer. After I found my customer, I focus on the customer. Then I can do a select or an exit, or do a hotkey F11 to select and exit. F11. Now we select the customer and exit. System back to the sell module, ready for us to enter item. Now in here, I'm going to enter item A. Okay, this I sell this one, and this I sell this one, and then I move to the payment and invoice. Okay, and then I issue a full page invoice. Left click, and then due date I set to 15 days. This is 15-day invoice. Then the automatic set 15-day invoice from today's date. Continue. Yes. Now you can see this is a full page invoice. This is a full page invoice, and then we just close this preview window. Close. And select a printer to be print to. Select a printer to be print to. After that, we go back to the sales stage. After that, we close and go back to the sales stage, ready for next transaction. Now, another example. This is last example of invoice. Beside F5 and F7, we can do another complicated method is by new, and we select customer from here. Key hotkey M. Then immediately go to the M stage. So I select Mar as my customer. I select, and then I enter item for invoicing now. Now I enter item. Okay, enter item. For example, this item. Okay, and this item. And then I go for payment and invoice. Okay, and I select half page invoice. Half page. Due date 30 days is fine. Continue. Yes. Okay, now you see a half page invoice look like this. After that, we close this preview window and send the printing to the printer, send the printing to the printer, and then after that we come back to the sales ready stage, sell ready stage for next transaction.